Okay, so when your course is first opened up for you, the front page is going to look something like this. It's going to not be the pretty front page you want your course to have for your students to use. So I'm going to show you how to create something a little bit more friendly. I'm going to click on pages over here on the left. Now I already have some pages, so this is going to take me to my front page, but I'm going to show you how to do that. There won't be any pages in this page listing. There will just be a little blurb that says something like, there are no pages, do you want to add one? And you're going to click on that opportunity to add a page. It's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. I'm just going to type in sample front page as my title, and then I'm going to click in this creation box down here at the bottom. Now I want an image in mine, and I've already created one in Wordle that I want to use. So I'm going to go over here to images. I'm going to upload a new image, and I'm just going to save it in the course files. That's the default, and it works fine for me. So I'm going to go out now and choose the file that I've already saved. It takes me to my desktop, and then I'm going to go down here and click on the image that I want to use. It uploads it. Once I click this little button, it uploads it pretty quickly, and it puts it over here in this box that I'm creating in. But what I've learned is that unless I do this next step, that picture isn't really there. So I'm going to delete that. Then I'm going to go up here to the embed image button, and I'm going to select Canvas. And then I'm going to go to course files, because remember that's where I saved it. And here's my picture that I want to use. So I'm going to click there, and I'm going to hit update. And now it really does stay there when I save the page. So once I've got the picture in, then I'm going to click right here to the end of it. I'm going to do it a couple times, and then I'm going to add text. So you're going to add text, directions for your students, whatever you want them to see. I'm going to show you what that can look like in a picture on the page you came from originally before you viewed this video. But I want to show you this first. So I've typed in some text there that I'm going to add for my kids. I'm going to go up here and make it bold. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to pick a pretty color. And then I'm going to select font sizes. I like to do 14 point for my text for students. You can choose whatever you like, and I usually use 18 for my titles, but I don't need a title on this page. So I've done that. Now I want to go ahead and save and publish this page. It makes making it the front page easier if I do that. So I'm going to do that, save and publish. All right, so here's what it looks like. Now if it didn't turn out the way I liked it, I can go up here and click the edit button. It'll take me right back where we came from, and I can make whatever changes I want to make. Maybe I wanted to make this bigger, or maybe I don't like the fact that it was bold, whatever. And I thought, well, I need to add something else I didn't think about. So that's your opportunity to do that. You can do that on any page that you create in Canvas. There will always be that edit button. So nothing's ever final until you decide that it is. So once I've done that, then I want to go back to Pages. And I'm going to go back to my View All Pages since I've got more than just the one. So here's the sample front page. Once I click here, it gives me the opportunity to use that as my front page. And on your course, that's what you're going to want to do. I don't really want to do it here because I want this to be my front page, but that's how you make that change. Just hit that use as front page, and it'll mark it that way, and you'll be ready to do the final step. Once you've done that, you're going to go back over here on the left. You're going to go back to Home, and you're going to go over here to Choose Home Page. Click on that button, and I'm going to use Pages Front Page, because remember, we saved our sample front page, theoretically, as the front page. So if I click this, it's going to take me to whatever I had chosen as my front page. I'm not going to change it in my course, but that's the process. So I'm going to hit save. And now, if you'll notice, when I go back to my home page, that's where I'm at. I'm on the home page. I now have the information that I typed in for you to see when you first came to this course. And that's exactly how you'll do it with your students. Easy peasy.